Okay, so day number 2. Before we start, I gotta say something. You have to warm up before doing anything, okay? Because I didn't yesterday, alright? And now I have pain on all my body because that was the first time I was trying to do it, alright? So now I don't know how I'm gonna be able to actually do it, like to improve but yeah, it is hard. Yesterday, actually, I don't know if you see it, but I was doing good actually. I was actually doing pretty good. So yeah, let's see. I have some new stuff here. New stuff. I have pain like everywhere here, and also on my shoulder and my back as well. It is way harder than I thought, you know. I'm getting better. But this is scary as well, for real. Everything new is always scary. But that's what it is, you know. Yeah.
Like this. Facing out, hand down, walk around. Then instead of walking, I would...
Okay. So I'm gonna try it a little bit more, okay? You know, it's a process, and that's what I like. It's a process. But like, I was feeling confident, you know, just before the second day. But like, today, nah, I don't feel it. But what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna just try again, and then see if it's good or not. But then I'm just gonna stop, okay? It's all about fears, okay? And I am scared of just moving my body out, you know, jumping backward actually. This is the goal, but like, I'm scared. But I believe that the more you do it, the better you are. So it is fucking hard as well. Oh, that is better, you know. This is what I believe. If there is resistance in what you do, it's a sign that you should do it, you know. That you should actually, you know, keep doing it, you know. If it's hard, if it's like tough, just keep doing it. For real. Okay. It is not good, okay? But it is better. And as long as it is better, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna just stop here, okay? It's a process, but it's nice. Thanks for the staying here, you know. No, yeah, for real, it is very hard. Actually, it is very hard, but it's nice, you know, to learn something new, you know. Tomorrow is gonna be better, I think. All right, bye bye, take care.